glorious food. I just had to sing that happy food song is what I'm calling it. Oh guys, the juices, the pineapple juice, I can't even begin to describe the amount of pineapple juices we had. Like, I'm such a fruit lover, and the pineapple there, it's less sour than the ones back home in South Africa. So guys, when the tour guide he's just laughing at me because every time he's like, hi guys, because every time I start my video saying, so guys, I need a new tag. But anyway, so guys, when the tour guide picked us up from the hotel, the tour guide from the hotel picked us up from the airport, he said, we were asking like food and all the traditional things and what to explore and all of that, and he told us about this fruit that tastes like a lychee. That's their special, fruit and ice recommendation. It's apparently amazing. And we stopped, but we couldn't find along the way routes. But we see now at the hotel they have it. This is it. It's like the outside of a coconut, but I think it's hard. Is it soft or hard? Oh no, that's hard. More kiwi vibes, but hard, and then it's lychee inside. And it's called a shoki. So yeah, I'm gonna try that. There we go. Oh, it's juicy. Also, it looks very much like a lychee. Oh, let's try it. Well, like a lychee, like if a lychee and an orange had a baby. It's nice. I like it. About Izzik Zalu, the resort we stayed in, is that you can book all your activities and things that you want to do on the island straight from the excursion desk. So we booked an activity that I really wanted to do and plan just before the trip, and then we also moved to a honeymoon suite. So guys, we went to the ATM the other day and we withdrew, what? 50,000 first. 10,000, and it gave us one note, and then we withdrew another 50,000 because it gives you 10,000, 50,000, 200,000, 500,000, like it's just crazy. So yesterday we went to go withdraw again and we withdrew 200,000. I'm getting confused. And look at all this. This is crazy. I feel like I am bowling here. One note is 10,000 Tanzanian shillings, I almost said rands. And it's so like we still haven't gotten, we haven't entirely gotten the whole exchange rate, but we're more trying to compare it to dollars, since everything on the menus, on the restaurants, any items to purchase in the shops and stuff is all it's all priced in dollars. So we're trying to weigh it out by dollars instead of rands. But we are now going to swim with the turtles, and the turtles is $10 to go inside, which we think is about how many shillings again? 30,000 shillings. That is 30,000, bro. Bowling! Oh, and by the way, when we withdrew 60,000 the other day, it was only like 300 rand.
23,000.
Oh, we withdrew 23,000. What?
No.
What?
$10 is 23,000.
Oh, $10 equals 23,000. Guys, I'm not good at maths. I'm so glad Wesley's here to help me. Anyway, let's go ball out.
Food for the turtles.
Oh,
They love the ocean.
it's water warm or
The
cold?
ocean. Same like ocean.
Oh, same like ocean.
The big one turtles 25 years old.
Sure.
Still young because they get 120 years they live. Do you have everything mask? Mask? Yeah, mask is really nice because you can see fish turtles under the water really nice because now the water is so up now. Okay. Do you have a mask?
It's strong. Oh, that means. Are you doing a video now? Ow, 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 baby's biting me. Ow. Not me getting bitten by turtle. But you know what's even funnier is that when I got home from the holiday, I had a photo shoot, and I only realized after seeing the shots that you could see my turtle bite in the photos. Look carefully. Oh my word. Greet the ocean.
Jumbo.
Jumbo, no. By waving.
Okay, Andre second.
ocean, ocean, ocean.
I'm recording you.
Okay. I thought the old lady dropped it in the ocean at the end. Well, baby, I went down and got it. Ah, you shouldn't have. I must confess that my loneliness is killing me now. Don't you know I'm still believing when you give.
So I'm not sure if you've noticed, but my plates are always messy because I just want to try everything. Right now we have fried banana with crayfish. Oh, so delicious. So delicious.
My baby, my Valentine. The other day they making my temperature they rise. If you leave me, I go die, I swear.
Every night there was a buffet at the resort, but this was my favorite. Imagine freshly caught, freshly dried crayfish that is unlimited. Like, there's nothing better. Thank you for watching. Please click the like button, subscribe, and turn the notifications on so that you don't miss my next video.